The bear is all about bones and muscles. Take a look at the following video clip. Basically, the muscles are very, very simple. They only have two functions, contract or release. That's it. So say a client presents you with a biceps issue. Where do you use that specific muscle for? Remember that muscles only have two functions, or actually one function. They only can contract or not contract. And if they're not contracting, they're releasing. That's the only thing they can do. So let's do an assignment for that. Locate the following muscles in your body. Touch them, physically touch them, feel them, and then contract the muscle and let go. Just contract the muscle and let go. To get a physical feeling, to get a physical memory of what that muscle is all about. Come up with 4 functions what you can use this muscle for. For example, if I take my biceps, one of the functions could be to pick up a bucket of water. Because if I contract my biceps, my lower arm goes up and I can lift something. So I can pick up a bucket of water. So come up with 4 different functions for these muscles. Use the biceps, the quadriceps, the calves, and the trapezius. And you might need to punch it in Google to find out which specific muscles they are, which is fine. Take a few minutes, take about 15 minutes to do that now.
When you learn something from this, comment your biggest insight, and you will inspire other people with your comments too.